Removing dirt can be simple and efficient if you use the right products. Our range of cleaners covers the entire spectrum. Our water-based cleaners are water-conducted. The foaming action is caused by the surfactants. This means dirt is broken down easily and more quickly absorbed into the water. Surfactants leave streaks behind on glass and other surfaces, but the correct concentration actually prevents stripes. Water is pH neutral. Ammonia increases the pH value and makes it easier to remove grease and oil. Solvent-based cleaners consist of petroleum ether, acetone or alcohols. After all, oil and water repel each other. The type of solvent is precisely aligned with the part that needs cleaning and the type of dirt. The molecules mix well together, which soaks the dirt loose. The quicker the spray evaporates, the less time it has to dissolve the dirt. So slow evaporators have more time to dissolve the dirt. Perfect for thick layers of oil or grease. Some quick evaporators have great spraying strengths. MOTIP cleaners are designed for fast and professional work and are easy to use. The application can be identified by the image on the aerosol.